Rain batters Oregon and southwest Washington as flood watches remain in effect. Road closures hit. At least one person is dead. Major roads in western Oregon have been closed by landslides and other damage, and hundreds of people evacuated by flooding are returning to assess the damage in the aftermath of days of heavy rain. Even as flood waters start to recede and some evacuation notices are lifted, the effects of an atmospheric river that battered the region will persist with high river levels through Saturday in some places, the National Weather Service said. The damage was evident Friday morning at the Carver Mobile Home Ranch Park in Clackamas County, where river water swirled around garage doors and bedroom windows when it flowed through. Some homes in the park were partially underwater after heavy rainfall swelled the Clackamas River and other waterways, which flooded areas southeast of Portland. Officials said 300 homes were under evacuation notices in Clackamas County Friday morning.
Water's flowing. They got 101 closed here until look. Alright, let's see. Shit. I think, this is probably the best way to go. I'm just going to step down and go. Oh, shoot.
The Clackamas River in the last 24 hours, we've been seeing 3 to 4 inches of rain, and in some cases, even higher amounts southeast of Estacada. Sebastian Westrink, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service in Portland, told OPB Friday morning, those amounts are certainly contributing to the rapid rise of the river. Curtis Gillette, 63, has lived in the Damascus area his whole life. On Friday morning, he traveled to near where the Clackamas River flooded homes at the Carver Mobile Home Ranch Park.
There's Carver. Dumpster. Where's the bathroom? Oh, it's underwater. Okay.
I feel tragic for the people that are dealing with it, Gillette said. They are under dire need right now to keep themselves safe and their belongings safe. The river jumped the banks, Gillette said, and water rose higher than he'd ever seen in the area. After surveying the mobile home park, Gillette planned to go to a friend's house up the road. Residents of the mobile home park told OPB 2 of the homes submerged in water are not occupied. Other homes saw around half a foot of water. People said they evacuated to a nearby church just after 11 p.m. Thursday night.